You can create a Jamboard before the lesson. Press on the Add button and it will save in your Google Drive. When it opens, you can give it a name at the top left. This file is called a jam. At the moment, a jam can have up to 20 frames and 50 people can work on the same jam at the same time. You can change the background of a jam here. Add text using the text box. You can change the color, size and alignment of the text. You can add sticky notes like you might in the classroom. Perhaps to ask students to write what they remember about something, key topics, or give them a maximum number of questions they can ask. You can duplicate them easily. You can add shapes. For example, if you want to draw a mind map. Shapes can be moved around. You can draw with the pen tool. What you draw cannot be moved though, you have to erase it. Here is the eraser tool. So typing is best with the text box. But if you have a steady hand or a graphics tablet, you could use the pen tool. You can add images, for example to create a mood board. You can upload images, take a picture or choose one that already exists. You can move it, resize it and rotate it. The laser tool can be used to point things out to students and does not stay on the jam. Here's uploading an image I already had. Click Browse and find your image. You could then highlight key parts of an image. For example, using a shape. You can undo or clear the entire frame here. You can save what you've done as an image or download as a PDF. For example, so students have a file of what you've taught them. Or you could use the image in a presentation later. You can share your Jamboard with students here and also get the link to where it is to use in Google Meet. Depending on your class, you may want to set the jam access to viewer so students can only see it, not edit it. You can still edit it live on Google Meet even if you created it beforehand. In Google Meet, to use a Jamboard, click the 3 dots then choose Whiteboard. You can choose one you've already made by clicking Choose from Drive. If you've already set the Jamboard to viewer only, it will remember these settings in Google Meet. The link will appear in the chat so students can click on it. If they join late, they won't see the link unless you copy and paste it in the chat box again. If you don't have a Jamboard already, you can start one in the lesson. Choose Start a new whiteboard. If you're prompted to adjust the share settings, choose View if you don't want students to be able to edit the Jamboard.